workout for you. We're going to call this the scaling 6. We've got 6 exercises that we're going to scale up in repetitions as in time up to 6. So the first round, you're going to do either 1 minute if it's a time or 1 rep of each of the exercises. Then the next, after you complete that round, you'll be doing 2 minutes and or 2 reps of each respective exercise up until you do 6 always around. So that way you're actually going to be hitting about 21 minutes of the time of the step. So if you have a step at home, nice and simple, you can go right up and down, back and forth. You can even change it up and go sideways, either ways, march it through, anything you want, but you're gonna be doing that for 60 seconds your first round. You're obviously gonna do 2 minutes the second round. The second exercise would be your broad jump, okay? If you're nervous about it, just small little jump is fine. Work on landing soft. You wanna get big, you can get bigger, you go back and forth, you have that. Other one is the hand-free push-up. Back up, that's 1. Squat jumps, back down, take it up. Then you got your Supermans. Up, down. Then we got our skaters. Over and back, hold, and back. Keep going around. Enjoy the workout.